Hey everyone, welcome back to Terra Mater Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about a plant that's not just strong and striking, but it's phenomenal. This isn't just any lavender, it's Lavender Phenomenal, a true champion in both form and fragrance, known for thriving where other lavenders might falter. This variety, developed by breeder Lloyd Traven, was made to handle the challenges most lavenders can't. It's heat tolerant, cold hardy, and humidity resistant, a trifecta of resilience. While many lavenders struggle with wet summers or cold winters, Phenomenal shrugs it off, coming back reliably year after year and looking spectacular doing it. Let's talk looks. Phenomenal grows into a perfectly rounded silvery green mound, reaching up to 24 to 32 inches tall and wide. In mid to late summer, it bursts into bloom with long, slender stems topped with vivid lavender blue flowers. These blooms rise above the foliage in elegant waves, swaying in the breeze and drawing in bees, butterflies, and admiration from just about everyone who passes by. Give it full sun, well-draining soil, and a little space to stretch, and Phenomenal will reward you with a massive bloom display that sweet, soothing lavender scent. It works beautifully in large garden borders, along fences, or in mass plantings where its symmetry can really shine, but it's just as happy in containers, especially those places where you can brush past and release that heavenly fragrance. Water sparingly once established, this is a Mediterranean native diva with desert DNA. It prefers dry feet and plenty of airflow. In early spring, give it a good pruning to maintain its rounded shape and encourage full flowering. That's about it. No fussy care, no drama, just consistent beauty. Phenomenal has become a favorite for landscapers, herbalists, and home gardeners alike. It's culinary safe, great for essential oils, and the dried flower heads are perfect for bouquets, sachets, and sleep sachets. Want a garden that smells like a dream and looks like a magazine spread, but with less fuss? This lavender lives up to that name. Lavender Phenomenal isn't just a plant, it's a garden statement, reliable, resilient, radiant. Thanks for joining me in this plant profile today. If you love this spotlight, follow for more inspiring plant features, and remember, keep planting what you love.